Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. Today I have a great recipe for you guys. I'm going to share with you guys how to make sincronizadas. This recipe is so easy that I hope that you guys show your kids. It's less than 5 minutes. I'm going to get this started. I already have my skillet ready. It's already hot. I'm going to tell you guys what you guys are going to need. You guys are going to need 2 flour tortillas, butter or butter spray, some mozzarella cheese, and some ham. So I'm going to take over to the stove. I'm going to take some butter and my tortillas, and we need to put a little bit of butter on one side and the same thing to the other. Whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other side, okay? And these cook pretty fast, so I'm gonna take it out here. I'm gonna add my mozzarella cheese. If you guys have any other type of cheese like queso Oaxaca, you guys could also use that. Today I have mozzarella. We're gonna put the cheese on here. You could add as much cheese as you want. Okay, flip it over. And then I'm gonna lay this on the side. I'm gonna take my tortilla with the cheese and put it on back on the skillet. I'm gonna get my ham, do a nice layer. And then I'm gonna get some more cheese and put it on top of the ham. I'm gonna get my tortilla and another piece of ham. Let this cook. Let me check on mine. See how it's melting? So we want it to look nice and golden brown and both on each side, okay? So before we turn it, okay, so turn it very carefully. Oops. Okay. So our sincronizada is ready, and this is what I was telling you guys about the golden brown. See, it's on both sides. So what we want the cheese to melt. So if you come in here, and you can see how it's nice and melted with the ham. Some people like adding a light spread of beans, which you guys can do, and I have a recipe on how to do the refried beans. Check that out. Today, since I'm just very hungry and I don't have any salsa, I'm gonna use a tapatio sauce. If you guys have any other type of salsa at home, you guys could use that. I have a great recipe on how to make salsa verde. Also check that out. So I cut it kind of like if I'm cutting a pizza. Makes it easier to share with somebody if you're gonna make it. Also, if you want to feed it to small children. So this is how it looks. See, with the cheese. And I'm gonna add a little bit of tapatio. This is gonna be my dinner. I hope that you guys are enjoying all my recipes. Please do not forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel. I recommend me to all your family and friends. I'm going to see you guys very soon. I have more recipes to come, so stay posted. I'm going to have this for dinner. Provecho.